Hey guys, Flip Man here. So today we're going to be doing another whiteboard, and what you're going to learn on today is calculating the break-even point of an Airbnb or your first investment. So we're going to go over a real example. I recently purchased in Mesa, Arizona. I picked it up. Purchase date was October 29th, 2021. And guess what? I renoed it. Took about 6 weeks on the reno. We had our first guest January 1st, 2022. So it was super quick. I try to do all my renos in at least 4 to 6 weeks. On my Airbnbs, sometimes quicker, but 4 to 6 weeks minimum. What we did here on this guy is we purchased it at $220,000. So money out of pocket there for myself was $20,000 because the lender lent me $200,000 on this deal. And then the total reno cost, it needed everything. It was 1,000 square feet, hoarder's house. So it was rough. So built in the 1960s. So we put $40,000 into it for labors and material. For decor, once we're all done with everything, we shop deep discounted stores and get all the renovation and decor. And I'll be showing you guys that and where to go and what to buy, but it's all brand new. We paid $12,000. Total out of pocket on this Airbnb from myself, cash, was $72,000. So put $72,000 into the project, and that break-even point will come as we get guests. The first 3 months we crushed it. First 3 months we were at approximately $15,000 cash back to us. So that's would be 72 minus 15, 57,000 into it so far. As you get higher up in your income, as far as the more stays, of course, the more income you make. So break-even point is looking like it's going to be towards the end of 2022. So within the first 12 months on this project, we're gonna hit a break-even, and then that's startup capital that you would need to get this. There's ways to get more money out of this project. I could teach you guys that as you get it renovated, fixed up, you have visitors, guest stays, you could get a elevated appraisal. So we did on this one. After all said and done, we came in and got an appraised price at $315,000. So by adding that cash, we were able to make a good deal of money on the new appraisal and the value of the property today. So that's behind the scenes of a Mesa project. Any questions, definitely hit me up. If you like it, save it and share it with your friends. That's the calculating the break-even point. Hope that helped you guys today. Peace.